Hello guys, I Arvind Mahapatra. I am back with the hotel management SQL dashboard part 2. As in the last video we have discussed the first three questions. So today we're going to discuss the last two questions, that is 4 and 5. So before that, just have a look on the schema. The schema is as it is. So basically we have four different table. One is user underscore TB, where the user related informations are there, and another is the booking. Booking is a table where the booking ID and booking date, room number, and who all are the user have booked, all these details will be there. And the booking commercial, this table will contain related to the bill ID and item ID and how many number of items that has been placed. And items is a table where the item details will be there, like item ID, item name, item rate. Each of the item details will be there. So just let's jump into the question. Second highest bill value of each month in 2021. So it's somehow similar to the question number 3. On the top of it, we have to do some other calculation or other joining, but it's somehow similar to the question number 3 that I have already described in the last video. So I'll put this particular video, the part 1 of this particular question series, in the description, so do check out there. So here let's jump into the table. So we have two table, booking commercial and the item. So now we have to find out the total bill by multiplying item quantity and the item rate. Then we have to filter the data on 2021, and then we have to find out the second highest bill value and the customer name. So let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio. Basically we will take the previous query from question number 3 because it's somehow similar, similar in the sense. So what we have to do is basically, so let's run it. So here booking ID and bill ID and total bill we have calculated in the question number 3. So here what we have to do is, first we have to we have to find the total bill per bill ID and per each month basically. So what we have to do is, we will remove the booking ID, and instead of, and already we have here we have joined the two table, booking commercial and item rate. So let me try to explain it here more in a better way. So booking commercial and item rate, so we are going to calculate the total bill by multiplying item quantity and item rate on each bill ID on each month. Then we will do the calculation to get the second highest bill value of that particular second highest total bill value. So to do it, so what I will do is, now I'll just remove the September. This is for only for the October, but we don't need. So what we will do is, we need on each month. So from the booking commercial, this we need on each month. So what I'll do is, I will find the date name here, H month 21. Oh sorry, it's my bad. I have to mention the date part, which part I want to extract from there. Okay, then now I'll just mention the same column in the aggregated, in the group by clause. So here basically whatever the non-aggregated column will be there, it should be in the group by clause. So let's run it to find out. So here if you will see, each month the bill got, whatever the bill on each month suppose on the month of August, that 338, 39. There are three bill got generated and their total value is there. So here what I have to do is I have to find the second highest bill of each month. To get it, what I will do is I will just put it in a CTE. Suppose CTE 5, I will make a name and I will put it inside the CTE, and then I will use the dense rank function to find the second highest value. So select star and dense rank. Dense rank is an analytical function basically which will be help us to find the rank of each value. So I will use the partition. I need the partition by each month basically. So partition by month 21, this is the column we have derived, and in which order I should calculate, like I have to calculate by the total bill. I'll just give a alias that highest bill from CTE underscore 5. So now let's run it. Okay, you have to give it in this parenthesis so that it will able to understand this is the derived column. So here so here basically the each, okay, I will have to use the descending so that it should it should calculate in the descending order. By default it will be ascending order. So here if you will see the rank is 1 for 110 total bill, rank is 2 for 90, and in the same way in the July month rank is 1 for 210 total bill is 10 for the month of July, that is the second rank. So likewise, so what we have to do is now I have to filter out only second highest bill. So what I will do is I will just create another CTE to hold the result. CTE underscore highest value, highest total bill. So it will hold the result, and in the next one, and select star from CTE underscore highest total bill, where the highest bill equal to 2 basically. So let's run it. So here I can able to find out the second highest bill of each month. Now what I have to do is, now I have to get the username of these bill IDs, basically who the person got generated these bills. I need this person's name. So what I have to do is basically, if you will see it here, so I have to find the booking ID first. I have the bill ID in this common table expression. I will join this common table expression with the booking commercial to get the bill ID, and from there I will fetch the booking ID, and I will use this booking ID to join the booking table, and again by the help of this booking ID, by the help of this user ID, I will join with user underscore TB table to get the respective username of this bill ID. So what I will do is, so just I will start inner join with all these required table. First I have to get the bill ID. So first I have to get the booking ID, because from booking underscore commercial, if I will join my common table expression with the booking commercial, then I will able to get the booking ID of the respective bill ID. To get it, I will inner join the booking commercial. Okay, so booking commercial I'll just drag to down so that I can able to see it properly. Booking underscore commercial, and I will join the table with the help of the bill ID is equal to I will join my common table expression of the city highest bill dot this bill id. Okay, and here also I'll just filter out the second highest only. So I'll just give the table name for better identification. Okay, now what I will do, I will not fetch all the column, I will fetch only whatever the column it's required for me. So bill id and the month and the total bill. Okay, so what I will do is, now I will just make this column as a first column of the output. From booking commercial, I will fetch the booking id, which one I required to join the other table. Booking id. Okay, so now let's run it to get the result. So here if you will see, previously I had bill id, now I have booking id. So now I will get the booking id. Already I got the booking id. So here if I will join the table with the help of the this booking id with the table booking, because booking id, I have already booking id in my bucket, so I will get the user id, and from this user id I will join the user underscore tb table to get the respective username of these bill ids. So what I will do next is, I will join, first I will join the this first I will join the booking table to get the user id. Okay, so on what basis I will be going to join? I have already the booking id, right? And I will join with the this booking commercial booking id. Okay, so now from the booking table I need only the user id. Okay, so let's run it to get the expected output. So now if you will see, I got the user id. So now what I will do is, I will join this table with the user underscore tb to get the respective username by the help of the user id. So now I will inner join the user underscore tb table and user id is equal to, already I have from the booking table the user id now I need the username along with the user id. So I'll just I'll just change the order of the column so that it will reflect in a proper way. So if I will do it in some other better way, see what are the columns I am trying to fetch it from here. Okay, so now for the month of October, there is this 21 user ID, and the username is John. For the month of August, the user ID is 23 Sibaraju. For the November, Kamal. For the July, Sunny. So these are the basically username along with the second highest total bill, along with the bill ID and the booking ID. So for the better understanding, what we can do is we can order by going here and there. So the total bill is, a column is there, so we can do the descending order so that it will be in the descending order. By default is the order by default is the ascending order, so that's the reason we have explicitly mentioned descending. So if you will see, for the November 1100, and for the October it's 240, or the August is 990, and July for 10. So this is the basically the question is, this is the way to find out the second highest bill value of each month along with the username. So if you have any other way to do it, please do suggest in the comment section, so it will be great for the community. So let's jump into the question number 4, and that is our determine the least order and most order items of each month of the year 2021. So basically it's required that which item has been placed most of the time and the least. So how we will able to get it? Basically we will sum all the item quantity group by item ID, and from there we can able to find out that which order it being placed, most order item ID and least order item ID. Okay, for the and also we have to find out on each month wise who all are the item IDs that has been placed most of the time and least of the time. So basically to get it, what we have to do is, so this is the question number 4. Question number 4 is, so what do we have to do? We have to get it from this table only, booking commercial. So I'll just mention select star from booking commercial. I will just give a better alias for the better understanding of the table. And now sum of, I will drag the column item quantity, then I will mention the sum, and I have to find out in the basis of each month. So bk underscore c dot bill date, and here is I have to get it on the each month wise. So I have to mention the month as a data part, as a date part, and here I have to mention the month 21. We can do it in this ascending order. In this we can concatenate the data, and I have to mention the group by also here. So basically we have to group by the non-aggregated column, that is the month, and the booking and the item ID also we need. Okay, here I have to give one alias, and okay, already I have given the alias. I have to just mention a comma. So total quantity, and also I need the item ID along with the date. So the item ID, so I'll mention the same column in the group by clause, and let's run it. So basically it's coming basically this here now I am able to calculate the total quantity of each item ID. So this basically in this month, July month, this one item ID has been placed for one time, and for another July, for this is also placed one time. And so here we have to find out the highest of each month and lowest of each month, whatever the item ID that has been placed. So to get it, what we have to do is we have to use the dense rank function to find out this. So what I will do is I will just keep it inside a common table expression. I'll just hold this result inside the common table expression, and now what I will do is select star, and I will use the dense rank function to calculate the most order item of each month per item ID. So dense rank overclose, in the overclose what we will mention is on each month we need basically. So we have to mention the this month 21 partition by this month, and order by in which order it should calculate the dense rank, the total quantity basically. So the total quantity, and it should be descending order. Okay, so now from city underscore 4, I'll just give a alias that highest most ordered okay. So now let's run it to find out. So here if you will see, on each month I have suppose for the month of August, suppose for the month of August, this item 8 has been placed one time, this item 9 has been placed one time, this seventh item that has been placed only like it's 0. So here the highest order for the item is 8 and 9, and the lowest is for 7th. So for the July also, in the month of July, this item ID 1 that has been placed only one time, and for the July also this item ID 12 that has been also placed for the one time. So here we have to find out the highest and lowest. So I have some different example for the September. If I will calculate, like if we will see the for the month of September, I can able to see that 5, the item ID 5 has been placed 33, this is the highest, and for the same month and lowest is item ID 11, that has been placed for three times only. So this is the basically we have to find out highest and lowest item quantity, means highest and lowest item quantity for each month in the year of 2021. So to get it, what I will do is basically, so I will make another CTE to hold it, then I will again calculate the least order, and then I will do the union of least and highest order, least and most order basically. So just bear with me. So I will try to explain you. So in the similar fashion, what I will do is, in the similar fashion, here CT underscore least order, CT underscore least order, and I will make this as a ascending. By default it will be ascending. So now So if we will select star from this most ordered CTE, I will only filter the this dense rank is 1, so that I'll be able to get the data in a descending order. So I'll just run it to see. See, now the result will be basically, so now I'll just drag it to up. See, for the month of October, I'm talking about the most ordered item only. So if I will filter out one only, if this most ordered, if only one, I need only one, right? One only, then what will happen? Then I will able to get the only the highest order one, because we have make this one as a in the descending order, so it will count the total count by the descending order, so it will be given a rank as a 1 for the highest number, highest total quantity. And here basically it will be the least order, and we didn't use the descending, so by default it will be fetching the data in the ascending order. So let's run it to understand it. So see here, so here in the month of August, suppose, no, we'll take the example of for the September, as we have multiple entries are there. So for the month of September, if you will see, the 11th item ID is 11 is having only 3 total count. The number of items that has been placed is a 3 only. So that is the lowest for that particular month. So here the count, here that dense rank has given rank is 1. So we need this one here. So to get it, what I will do is, now I will just mention that where this rank is equal to only 1, and I will do the union. In the similar fashion, I will fetch all the data from the common table expression of CTE most order, and I will try to fetch only first record, like only wherever the dense rank is equal to 1. And now I will just filter out with the help of this most order column, which is reflecting the dense rank equal to 1, and let's run it. So now if you will see, I will just mention in the, okay, what I will do is, I'll just mention. So basically now we can able to see that we are able to fetch all the data in a single table of the highest and lowest order. So for the better visibility of the data, what we will do, we will make this one as another CTE to get all the records in a proper readable format. So I'll just mention that CTE underscore highest, most, and lowest order, and I will just make this one as another CTE. So where what I will do is, now I will write, I will just try to fetch the data from the, and I will make that order by this month. Okay, so it will be in the, by default it will be in the ascending order. So let's run it. So see, now for the month of August, okay, I'll do one more thing also, order by month, and I'll do the total quantity in the descending order. Okay, so that it will be more visible. See, for the month of August, the highest order is, it has been taken on 8 and 9th. The both the item is having the similar quantity. That's the reason it's reflecting two item ID, and the lowest is 0. In the similar fashion, the in the month of July, 1, 12, and 1, and all these things are high, like only one value, so it's reflecting in 1 and 12 as a both as a highest and the lowest. For the month of November, if you will see, 11 is the highest. That is the item ID is 11, is placed 11th. Total quantity is 11th, and for the November, 10, that is the lowest one. For the September, if you will see, 33 is the highest and 3 is the lowest. So this is basically the question number 4. So if you have any better way to approach this, or if is there any other approach to find this result, then please do comment in this comment section. Do comment it in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get the new video. Live your life, live your dream. Thank you.